So I'm just going to do a very, 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 very quick basic makeup that I would do. I use a factor 50 in the summer on my skin. Very, very, very important, and that's what I would actually use as a moisturiser. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to press that subscribe button, that's most important, and leave a comment in the section below. I try and answer all of you as much as I possibly can. Now, my foundation is amazing. It's called Illuminare. Now, the problem is you can only get it from America. It is very expensive and you've got to buy it in batches. Well, I'm finding that. You might be able to find it on the internet. It's called Sienna Sun that I use, and I use the concealed mineral foundation. I use the semi-matte. The matte is too matte for me, too matte for my skin, even though I am a little bit oily on my T-zone. It's too matte because I can't then use things like contour and highlighter because it just looks like I've got a smudged face, so it's not great. That is my favourite foundation ever. I've been using that for years because friends at work, when I used to work at the other TV company Bid, introduced me to it because they had acne, and I had severe acne, and this really does cover up a multitude of sins. Now, if there's any other foundation that you love, that you absolutely rate for being good coverage, then please leave your comments in the section below to help anybody else. For the lighter one, I have shown you the sort of BB cream that I use during the day, but I'm actually going to put this on today. So I use a tiny brush. I've actually broken the bottom of the brush off because that goes into my handbag easy, especially when I've got a smaller handbag. And I always use a sponge like this because it's easy. And I tend to go round in circles like this. I go into the hairline, but obviously being careful because I am blonde. You can see. Now, this is only a quick fix because I'm going on a flight. I always pull it down, and I'm finding this on that scar that I've got is a very, very, very good cover-up. I always pull it down, especially when I wear a dress, onto my décolletage as well. So can you see? Everybody always says what a wonderful foundation it is to me, but it is pricey, unfortunately. You will pay roughly to get this over. It's only about £20 a tube, and of course it lasts me a long time because you only need a little bit. So £20 a tube compared to what your big cosmetic brands would be is actually not that much, because you're getting it shipped from America. That's where the money is. So I will get maybe 4 shipped at a time, and that will be £20 a pop or £23 a pop. So just say 20, you're looking at £80, and then it could cost me £30 for shipping. So it is a nightmare, but I wear a lot of foundation. I want it to be good because I'm on television, so I'm really particular on what I use. But if anybody's got any other suggestions of me using something else, then please let me know. But I've used loads of stuff from MAC and things like that. So this is the Real Rebel that I use on my lips, and it's called the Santhilea, and it's a moisturiser, but it also tints your lips at the same time. Now, although I've got my eyebrows done, because I've had them tattooed, as you've seen, always coming in crying. Oh, hang on. Yes. Your boat? No, because you can't take it out.
I just want to build
No, sweetheart, you can't take it out because Mummy's going to do a vlog with you in a minute on it. No, but you can't because it's going into the suitcase like that. In it? No, you're not having it because it's going into the suitcase like that, Frankie Jack. Oh dear. So then I just go over. No, sweetheart, you can't have it. No, don't keep going on. He'll go on and on and on. No, because it's going in your suitcase. I'm going to do a vlog with you in a minute and you're going to show everybody what you've got. Oh, I don't want to do it. Okay, then we don't have to do it. Mummy will do it on its own. Don't pull anything else out of its packets. So we've been to Poundland today, and I'm going to do a vlog on that, about what I've got for the pool for him. Because when you get on holiday, you often find that it's really expensive, isn't it? So there you go. That's my eyebrows. I'm actually not going to put anything on my eyes today. And then I've got a fantastic, because I'm not going to contour or anything like that. I can't be bothered. This is just quick and easy. I've got this from MAC, obviously been used, and it's actually a cream blusher, and I use this when I'm around the pool during the day, so it looks like you've got a little bit a flush in your cheeks, but not too much, and it stays on, which is brilliant. I've got this, which I've got highlighter from Primark, believe it or not. I've never used cheaper makeup, but I absolutely love them. So I'm going to put that on the top of my cheeks like so, just down the bridge of my nose and on the end. And then, because we are flying, and I know I've just tinted my eyelashes because you might have seen one of those, I've got this Ultra Blush W7 for $2.99, should be $7.99 from TKMAXX, and I love it. It's got a slightly funny angled brush, but it's absolutely superb. So I'm just going to go over, I'm actually going to go over in this. And I'm going to go with the other one. Like so. And then a little bit of cream powder. Again, I use MAC Studio Fix. I've not used anything from it. I fancy doing a makeup tutorial just with what I've got from, and I use the same brush that I've just done my, and that just done my foundation with. And that is my very, very, very natural look and very quick look. So that's a very quick one for running out of the house, running Frankie Jack to school in the morning. I love that. So lovely. That is from Ideal World. Whether they've still got it or not, I don't know. So that is my real quick fix makeup, just to get out the house like that, because that foundation is that good. Please give me a thumbs up, please press that subscribe button, and I'll see you tomorrow.